Porsche Taycan Coupe is drop dead gorgeous. Just a render, but this is what it would look like. Here we go, 2-door Taycan. Yeah, it looks sort of like a 911. Looks sort of like a Cayman. Electric, that thing would boogie. Imagine. Save a little bit of weight, get rid of the rear seats. Same amount of power. Ridiculous.
It looks like...
What is this render style? The guy with the camera. What is this going on right here?
What do you mean?
Can you explain this CG that I'm looking at here?
Well, they're just tracking it. This shot here.
Yeah, and then they insert the 3D object?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Yeah.
I like seeing it in the real world instead of in some digital landscape. Like, I like seeing it on the...
I mean, it looks pretty convincing if it's like, even now. But like as a screenshot, it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I would imagine.
No, that's what I'm saying.
You got the lighting and reflections, right?
I'm saying, man.
The color looks
Shout
great.
out. Who are we shouting out, man? Give somebody a shout out. This looks really good. 2NCS on YouTube.
Yeah, now he has 2 of them.
I mean, it's definitely... I think he went overboard with those slits on the hood there. No, like I'm saying...
think that's dope.
No, I'm saying they'll never do it. I'm saying
Porsche,
if you were trying...
Yeah, it has to be aftermarket or something.
If you were trying to do an accurate... And I understand. If I was a 3D artist, I'd go completely overboard as well.
Yeah.
Because...
It's not bad.
It'll be tempting to do it. But we do at least get the rough shape of how this could look if they were to do it. Although Porsche previously came out and said, we're not doing 911 electric. That's just not the 911. And so, of course, time changes things, and maybe it just won't be called the 911, or I'm sure eventually they'll do an all-electric 911. They just got to keep you... They just can't say they will right now, because then no one's buying the Taycan. They're like, I'll wait for the 911 electric.
It's going to steal its thunder.
I guess the market's not big enough for that. It must be the same reason that Tesla has not prioritized that Roadster at all. 0% prioritization.
Well, their Plaid is just so fast.
I know. Yeah, it's so fast with 4 doors.